Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a positive channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. In today's video, we're gonna be doing dollar store DIY drawing a flamingo. So basically, you're gonna just draw a flamingo. Okay, so I might have to look at it because I don't know how to just draw and be like, how does flamingos look like? Okay, I did search them, but I don't want to draw in them like that's not how it is. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use my construction paper, which I do all the time. I don't need this, and I'm gonna draw a flamingo. Okay, so this is his head. I don't know if y'all can see my face. And then I'm gonna draw his eyeballs. And then he has a beak. He has a smile. Okay. And then he has a very long, kind of long neck like this. And then and he has kind of a body like this. Okay. And then he has his little feathers like that. And two feathers like this. And then a little thing like that. Now I'm gonna draw his legs, his feet. And then he has about 4 toes and like that. I think this is his tail. Yeah, that was his tail. Okay, and then go like this, and then okay, right. That's a flamingo. Okay, so now I'm going to color it now. Okay, that's what it looks like. Y'all will laugh at me. I know y'all gonna be like, girl, this is horrible drawing. Oh, you know what I missed? I missed his eyebrows so bad. Or eyelash, whatever it is. There. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna color it and I'll show you what it is. Okay, guys. My hand didn't cut off. So I'm just gonna color it quickly as I can. And then I'm going to just show you it, okay? So, yeah, how you guys being? Want to make sure y'all are doing okay. You know, I'm doing very good. Okay. I'm trying to give y'all vlogs the best I can. So you could be like, oh, what's that? What is she doing? I'm gonna do this as quick as I can because my thing might cut off. Okay. I'm gonna do his feet. The flamingo has some kind of lines on his feet. Okay. Oh. Made a mistake. This is not the best flamingo, but you get the drift, okay? Alright, let me pause and I'll show you. Okay guys, I'm going to show you it now. So this is the original drawing of the flamingo. And then here's mine. Okay. Wah, wah, wah. Nah, you know what? It's not bad, but I wish it could have been a little more
better. Like, the head doesn't even look like it's a flamingo. Maybe I should make the head more back. But we're gonna do. Okay, this is my DIY dollar store DIY drawing of a flamingo. Okay, yeah. Alright guys, so other than that, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this drawing, and if you like these type of videos, let me know. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias. I'll see you guys in my next one. The next vlog I'm going to be doing try not to dance challenge, so I have to find a song and I cannot dance to it. Okay, so I'll see you